Today we are going to be working on your assessment practice for Topic 9. This begins on page 393 and ends on 394. Like last time, I am going to go ahead and record this video for you to follow along in your workbook. But I will also be posting the computer version where you can draw on the screen and write your answers that way. However, it does not read any of the questions or answer choices for you. So if you want to do the electronic version, you just need to make sure you can read it by yourself, or maybe you have somebody by who can help you with that. But this video is just going to follow along in your workbooks, and you will pause the video as needed. So let's begin looking at number 1 at the top of the page. So number 1 says Trina's house number is 54. Frank's house number is greater than Trina's house number. Which is Frank's house number? How do you know? So on number 1, it has the number line that shows us Trina's house number is 54. It says that Frank's house number is greater than Trina's. So look at the choices here below and fill in which one is true. Is it 52 because 52 is greater than 50? 53 because 53 is less than 54? 54 because 54 is greater than 50? Or 55 because 55 is greater than 54? So remember, Trina's house number was 54, and it says Frank's is greater than her number. Which of these statements below would be the correct answer? Fill in just one of these answer bubbles for number 1. Number 2 says choose 2 ways to compare the place value blocks. Explain. So here on number 2 we have 2 place value blocks. Remember, these are our 10s and these are our 1s. In this model there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s, which is 80, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 87. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s, which is 80, 81, 82. So our models show 87 and 82. It wants us to choose 2 ways to compare these place value blocks, 87 and 82. Which 2 statements or ways are true? 82 is less than 87 because 82 has fewer 1s than 87. 87 is equal to 82 because 82 and 87 have the same number of 10s. 87 is less than 82. 82 has more 1s than 7. 87 is greater than 82. 87 has more ones than 82, or 82 is greater than 87. 82 has more ones than 87. So I know that is a lot to process, so what you can also do is look at this first beginning statement here. Is this true here? So choose two ways that truthfully compares these two place value blocks. And remember that you can pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast. Number 3 says find 10 more than 37 without having to count. Explain how you know. To find 10 more than 37, is our answer 36, 47, 38, 27? If we want to find 10 more than 37, is it 36 because it has one fewer than 37? Is it 47 because 47 has one more 10 than 37? Is our answer 38 because 38 has one more than 37? Or is it 27 because 27 has fewer 10 than 37? Fill in the answer choice for what would be 10 more than 37. For the next part of our practice sets, we are going to be looking at page 394. If you are still working on the previous page, go ahead and pause the video now. Number 4 says use the clues to find the secret number from the choices on the right. Our first clue says, I am less than 48. What numbers could I be? So look at all of our numbers here. 42, 70, 55, 60, 37, 40. Our clue says, I am less than 48. So write the numbers on the line that are less than 48. Our next clue says, I have a 0 in the ones place. What number am I? So look at the numbers you wrote here that were less than 48. Then look at the numbers you wrote and choose the number that has a 0 in the ones place. Then write that answer in the blank for number 4. For number 5, it says, write the number to complete the part of the 100 chart. Explain how you know. So for number 5, we have part of a 100 chart. We have 33, a blank, 53, 42, blank, 44. So remember, when you are working with a 100 chart, whatever number you're missing, the number to the left is 1 less, and the number to the right is 1 more. The number above it is 10 less, and the number below it is 10 more. So if you were counting 42, what number comes next? If you were counting by tens and saying 33, if you add 10 more, what number would come next? Write the number in the blank for number 5. Number 6 says, what number is 10 more than 74? What number is 10 less than 74? For number 6, it wants you to write the answer in the blanks. If you add 10 more to 74, what is your answer? If you add 10 less than 74, what is your answer? And for our last problem on number 7, it says, look at the place value blocks. Write the numbers to make the sentences true. Explain how you know which number is greater. What I would do first for number 7 is count what number both of these models equal. Then fill the numbers into the sentence here. Blank is greater than, blank is less than. So count what these two models here equal, and then put the numbers in both of these sentences to make the statements true. Once you have completed answering all of your questions, whether you're doing it in this video for your workbook, or if you are doing the computer version, you will be all done with your practice test. It is so important to have it done before we meet for our groups so that we can go over all of your answers and also help answer any questions that you have. If you have any questions before your group time, please let me know, and I will see you later.